Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build the Ford Mustang Dark Horse LEGO set. First, ensure you have a clear, organized space. Open the box and sort the numbered bags, keeping them separate. Locate your instruction manual. It is your essential guide. Take a moment to look at the finished model on the box to understand the exciting details you will be creating. This preparation makes the building process much smoother and more enjoyable for everyone. Now, let's dive into the core assembly. Begin with bag number 1 and follow the instructions page by page. It is crucial to connect each brick firmly, ensuring a stable and robust structure. Take your time to identify the correct colors and shapes of the pieces. If a step seems unclear, reread the instructions and examine the diagrams carefully. Building methodically ensures a strong foundation for your impressive model. This is where your Dark Horse truly comes to life with its iconic details. You will now add the distinctive front grille and the sleek headlight assemblies, giving the car its aggressive look. Next, focus on the interior, carefully placing the dashboard and seats. Then, attach the smooth body panels and the aerodynamic rear spoiler. Remember to apply any included stickers precisely to capture the authentic branding and racing stripes, enhancing the model's realism. Congratulations! You have successfully built your Ford Mustang Dark Horse LEGO model. Take a moment to admire your impressive work and all the intricate details. Now, find the perfect spot to display your masterpiece, perhaps on a shelf or desk where it can be admired. To keep it looking its best, consider a clear display case to protect it from dust. Share your accomplishment with friends and family, and enjoy the satisfaction of completing this fantastic build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.